Hi, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write a VBA that will enable you to run a macro that will put various different colors in a range that you select. So what it'll do is you define the range in the code, and within that range, when you run the macro, every cell will be a different color. So you might be wondering what the use of this would be. The main use of this is in formatting. If you've got a list of various different categories that you're analyzing, and for the purpose of breaking them up, you want to highlight all the names a different color. Instead of going down the list one at a time using a different color, especially if it's a very long list, this will automatically highlight every one of them differently. So let's have a look. Okay, I'll call this, let's call it InsertDifferentColours. Okay. First thing we do here, again, is define the dimension. And in this case, it's the integer that we need to define. So let's run this integer from, let's go from 1 to 55. Okay, so I is the index, the row index within the cells, and the next one is, say, the column index. So here we're saying, okay, we're going to put it in column 1 because that's the column index. And the row index is I, which is the integer, which in this case is 1 to 55. So hopefully that makes sense. Oh. Yep, the value of I. So then it'll go down to 2. So that's basically saying goes from 1 to the next in a loop between the values of 1 and 55 in this particular column. Okay, let's run it and see what result we get. Alright, there you go. So those are your different colors. You can tweak it a bit if you don't want the numbers in there, but I think you understand the concept. So thanks for watching. I'll upload another video shortly.